Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? It is officially new Fold It Club time, but with a twist. Because if you were in the Fold It Club last month, my friends, you are getting a special, what should we call it? Freebie, bonus, whatever, right? And let me just show you how awesome that bonus is because, hello, it is amazing. Hang on, I gotta find, there's like 80 things in here, you guys. Not really, but ta-da! You are officially getting the Fold It you were supposed to get last month. Remember, Stephanie made a mistake and she sent you the wrong squirrel. So now this squirrel is going to end up in your mailbox. So you will have twins. So what does that mean? That means this is free. Does that mean there's another Fold It in here? Of course it does. A lot of people thought I was just going to make this the November and move on. Oh, no, 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 no. We don't play games like that. There's another real Fold It in here. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited about this one because it's perfect for any time, like Christmas. It's perfect for Christmas. It's perfect for birthday. It's perfect for like baby shower. It could be literally any time you would give like maybe a little gift. It's perfect for that. And it is not a gift, but a gift is close because it is a beautiful beautiful bow Fold It. Now, this beautiful bow Fold It, that is a mouthful, my friends, comes with a cute little tag with a shadow. It comes with a mini present. It comes with a little tiny tree. It comes with some flower dies, and it comes with a little baby safety pin to decorate that cute little tag. And then it has the big bow itself. Now I have lots of samples to show you, but first I have to show you also the stencils. Now, we call this the Fold It Club because it's a shaped card club, but in reality, we should be calling it the Fold It Stencil Club, right? Because you get 2 stencils in every shipment. And, oh, also you get a handy dandy cute little a little postcard that gives you some ideas. It also tells you what goes with it so you can keep everything together. Are you ready? This stencil is so fun. It is literally just hearts and dots, but it is so beautiful and they're all generously, gosh, what word am I looking for? Generously spaced, so there's room in between. So if you wanted to, you could move your stencil like this and then move it like this and then move it like this and fill in as much as you want. There's also another stencil in the set, and I should just take mine out of here so I don't open that one. But this one is going to be to decorate your bow. Now what I did, this was a little interesting. What I did was I wanted you to have a pattern for your bow, but I couldn't fit it on here, and I also wanted to make sure you got this one as well. So I did half a bow down here, so you can see half the bow. What you're going to do is you're going to put your your bow just like that. You are going to decorate it. Then, guess what, you guys? Ta-da! You're going to flip it over and do that side. Oh, now make sure you clean your stencil before you flip it. But yes, so you're still getting the dots for both sides. And you're getting the extra highlight pieces because these would be kind of like in the back of the bow. Now, I have lots of fun samples to share with you. Here's one with that fun stencil piece on the back, which I absolutely, cute little tag. Isn't that tag cute? Also, you get extra layering dies, you guys. So you're getting an extra layering die for the inside so you can pop that up, which just adds a little bit more extra, right? Now here's another cute one. Look how cute that is. Yes, they do stand up. Ta-da! They do stand up. Now you can use it with the tag or without, but look at how fun these are decorated. Oh, this one's sticking to this one. Look how fun these are decorated. Isn't that awesome? This one is actually, is this a stand-up or what is this? I don't know what this one is, but look how cute that is. I love that. Isn't that fun? So different. And look at how cute. The little swirls on there with the cute little flowers. It does come with the little flowers. Oh, you know what? That's what happened. It came on this one. It was on this one. But look how cute. So that goes right on the front. There we go. We have the fun little pattern in the back, which I absolutely love. Ooh, here's a fun one. Now this one is really fun because it has the cute little dots on there. And I will be honest, my brain froze when I saw this. I'm like, how did they do those dots? I could not, I'm like, sometimes you just don't think, right? Well, let me just tell you, you're gonna use texture paste. Texture paste for those dots on your stencil. Then you're going to take that, once it dries, you're going to take that stencil and lay it down again and add a little bit of ink to it. Oh, is that amazing or what? Isn't that beautiful? I absolutely love that. Happy birthday. Here's another one just out of pattern paper. Easy peasy, right? Oh, look how pretty that one is. Birthday. So birthday, Christmas. I mean, any kind of like any design you want. Like here's that Christmas one again. Ooh, or here's another Christmas one. How fun is this? Now, I could also see this, you guys, when you wrap your presents, putting this bow on top of your present. Hello. Then your bow on your present is also your card. Double duty, right? It's like 2 for the price of 1. Here's another, oh, look how pretty this is with pattern paper behind that extra layering piece. Love it. Oh, and look at this. You could also make it a shaker on those 2 little pieces because it has those layering dies. So much fun. Now, Fold It Club members, you are extra special because you are getting that bonus $24.99 value. Now, if you are not in the Fold It Club, you're not going to get this extra one, okay? Because, you know, that was for my peeps last month. But you better get in now. You know why? You don't want to miss out on extra little mistakes that I make and give you extra stuff. So get in the Fold It Club right now. Once these are gone, they're gone because we don't put these on our website. So if you want these, you need to get in our Fold It Club. And Fold It Club members, guess what? Yours are going to be on their way to you and you're going to have so much fun. I'm really looking forward to seeing your designs with these bows, especially your Christmas presents with a bow on top. Even like, okay, here's another one. If you have to mail your presents at Christmas time, you can mail your presents, but instead of putting a real bow in there, because they always get smushed, you can put one of these bows. Isn't that awesome? I know, so easy too, right? Okay, my friends, club members, they're on their way to you. You're going to be having so much fun. If you're not in the club, join ASAP. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.